Hey YouTube, I got a unboxing video to do today. So my last video, I had a lot of comments saying how I wasn't loud enough or they couldn't hear me. So I moved my camera closer so you're not gonna see me, but you can still see what I'm doing and hopefully you can hear me. Trying to talk louder and everything else, so if it's too loud, sorry about that. I have a microphone on the way for my camera, so that should help out. It's like one of them little pin-on ones. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to this. Tons of bubble wrap that I like to see. Extra foam blocks in there. Bubble wrap on top and bottom. Good job packing. Tons of bubble wrap on here, which is a good thing. Man, he did no joke with this bubble wrap. Good job. Even cut the little things out for where the terminals fit. Nice. That's good job. Props on shipping right there. So, as you guys can see, I got another Premier 1200 SPL amp. Awesome. Everything looks to be in good shape. This one's missing the end caps, but I finally have 5 of these, so I'm super excited about that. I got 5 of the 1200s and I have 1 of the 2000s, so awesome. I'll have to get a video with all this stuff in one place because I got it scattered all over. So thanks for watching and stay tuned to see what I do with all these.